My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes. This is lecture number 124. In this lecture, we will try to understand the law of effort versus result. That is basically, I can say it is Wyckoff third law. How it works? Let us try to understand in detail manner. I can say it is understanding price action and volume analysis in the context of Wyckoff's third law. In our last lecture, just try to recall my previous lecture, I asked a simple question. If a red candle, let me say this one is red colored doji is formed. Just see here, I have here red color doji is formed. Can we consider it as a selling trade? What is the answer? The obvious, otherwise the correct answer is no. Why? What is the reason? For this type of doji, we should avoid taking a trade on the downside or selling side. The reason is, what is the reason? The reason is that we are analyzing only on the price action. That is a difficulty. Just we are analyzing only price action, isn't it? We are analyzing only the price action, and the price action here clearly indicates no trade. That is important, isn't it? This is because the candle has narrow spread. For example, what is this candle spread? This candle has got narrow spread. Just see, this spread is narrow, isn't it? This candle has narrow spread, which shows a lack of momentum. Only when we see wide spread, it can be considered as valid trading signal. Just see, here it is widespread. I can say it is a valid trading signal. Here you have narrow spread. Narrow spread means, I can say, which means it has got lack of momentum. In the previous lecture, I also raised an important question. Does price action indicates the strength of the trend or the genuinity of the trend? The simple and straightforward answer is, what is the simple and straightforward answer to this question is no. I will repeat. In my previous lecture, I raised one important question. Does price action indicate the strength of the trend or genuineness of the trend? The simple straightforward answer to this question is no. Price action alone, that is important. Price action alone does not reveal strength or genuineness of a trend. That's why it is often referred to as half knowledge. To enhance this understanding, what is this? To enhance this understanding, price action must be combined with volume analysis. This is important. In fact, to become a professional trader or pro trader, one must analyze multiple candlestick patterns along with price action and volume together. To understand volume analysis properly, let's begin with a single candlestick. Just see this one. Let me consider one single candlestick, isn't it? To understand volume analysis properly, let's begin with single candlestick. In the previous lecture, we discussed two types of green candles, isn't it? What are those two types of green candles? A wide spread green candle and narrow spread green candle. Now between these two, which one represents strong trend? The answer is simple. The widespread candle, the spread represents price movement, and the widespread indicates strong movement, isn't it? This widespread indicates it is a strong movement. In the first candle, just see, the rectangle body is wide. What is this narrow spread? Narrow spread indicates weak trend. That is important, isn't it? In this candle, the rectangle body is wide. Just see, this rectangle body is wide, which means the spread is large, and this spread represents the price movement. According to Richard Wyckoff, price is, what is this? Price is a result. That is important, isn't it? I will repeat. In this candle, the rectangle body is wide. This candle, this rectangle body is wide, which means the spread is large. This isn't it? Here, this is volume. This is volume, isn't it? This is spread. Otherwise, price movement. Otherwise, I can say it is price movement, isn't it? What it says, which means spread is large. The spread represent price movement. Yes, this is important. What it represents? It represents, this spread represents price movement. According to Richard Wyckoff, price is result. This is important. What is this price? Price means result. According to Wyckoff, price is result, while volume represents effort, isn't it? Let me say, this is volume, this is price, isn't it? Price can be treated as result and volume is nothing but effort. According to Richard Wyckoff, price is a result while volume represent effort. When more people buying a stock, what does it mean? When more people buy a stock, price momentum, that is spread, increases. When more people sell, price movement decrease. What does it mean? What does it mean? Price is, what is this price? Price movement is result. This is price movement. Price movement. Price movement is result, isn't it? And volume is nothing but effort, isn't it? Wyckoff's third law, that is effort versus result, states that the genuineness of a trend depends on how well the result in the sense, how well the price movement matches the effort. How well the price movement means result matches the effort. Effort means volume, isn't it? Let's simplify this with example. Let me consider widespread green candle. You have here widespread green candle with above average volume. This is average volume. This average volume. This volume is above average. This is widespread green candle. Here what it indicates? High effort. This is volume. High volume. This I can say what type of volume? High volume means it is high effort. What does it mean? It is high effort, isn't it? High volume means high effort and high result. This is high result. This one is high result. High result in the sense, what does it mean? High price movement. Result means price movement. Result means price movement. Means with high volume or with high effort, you are getting high result, high price movement. This indicates a genuine uptrend, isn't it? You have high effort, high result, high volume, high price movement. Therefore, I can say this is genuine uptrend. Both effort and result are in sync. That is important. Your effort, this is effort, this is result. They are synchronized. Therefore, I can say both effort and result are sync. Therefore, I can say this trend is genuine trend. Let me consider narrow spread. This one is this is spread. This is below average. This one is narrow spread means what? Narrow spread and green candle with below average volume. This is also a green candle, below average volume. Volume is below average. This is green candle, isn't it? Narrow spread green candle. I can say it is narrow spread green candle, narrow spread green candle with below average volume. This volume is also below average, isn't it? This is the case. Then what it says? Low effort, low result. This effort is low. Effort means what? Effort means volume. Low effort. And what is the result? Result is also low. Result in the sense, result in low result. Result in the sense, price momentum is also low. This is also what it indicates. This is also low effort, low result. This is also a genuine condition, isn't it? It is a genuine condition as both variables are proportionate. the market is bullish, and if you are already hold the stock, if you just see here I have here, this is volume, means above average volume. This is which has got high price momentum. Again, this one below average volume, narrow spread or low price movement. Therefore, this this case, how many cases are here? 2 cases. In this case also it is genuine movement. In this case also it is genuine movement. This is also genuine condition. Now let's look at means in this case means this case, also this case means you can hold the stock. Now let's look at non-genuine trends. What is this non-genuine trends or traps? Widespread candle with low volume. Just see, this is widespread candle with low volume means your volume is below average volume. This is volume, isn't it? This what type of volume it is? Low volume, isn't it? Widespread candle. This is widespread candle and with low volume. Less effort but more result. Just say this is less effort but more result, more price movement, more result. That's what it says, isn't it? Less effort but more result. This indicates a false move. What it indicates? It indicates a false move, isn't it? Yes. This indicates false move. Possibly I can say it is a trap. Price has moved up but without sufficient participation, meaning the move may not sustain, isn't it? Widespread candle with low volume. That's what it says. The trap is created, isn't it? What about next one? High volume but little price movement. This is high volume. This is little price movement. Huge effort. Here effort is huge. You have huge effort, but no meaningful result. No meaningful result. That's important. Huge effort, but no meaningful result. According to Wyckoff, the signal is a trap or potentially reversal. I can say this one is a trap or potentially reversal. Trap is created. Yes, the stock might move sideways or decline after this particular pattern. In summary, I can say effort. Effort means what? Volume. This is volume. This is effort, volume, and result. This is result. Result in the sense what it says? Result means price movement. Result in the sense it is price movement must support each other for trend to be genuine. This is important. Effort, that is volume, and result, that is price movement, must support each other for the trend to be genuine, and any mismatch between them signals weakness or manipulation in the trend. Now, a quick question to test your understanding. Here that's what it says. Effort and result must support each other for trend to be genuine. That's what I discussed, isn't it? Now a quick question to test your understanding. If you see a widespread candle with large upper and lower wick, this is widespread candle, large upper wick and lower wick, isn't it? Large upper and lower wick, and volume is above average. Just see, this volume is above average. Would you consider this move is a genuine or not? Think about it and share your answer in the comments so that I will discuss in the next lecture. We will discuss this one. We will explore volume traps in detailed manner in my next lecture, that is in lecture number 125. Thank you so much.